Hey, welcome back to the garage. Yeah, it's cold out here today, boy. So, one of the issues we have, seam welded tube. So inside it's got a step, all right? So it doesn't let this go in. See, it gets stuck, all right? So we went in with a die grinder, and that's how we got it to go in that first inch and a half. But we had to get a tool that would go in farther. So let me get you that tool. Let's see how it goes. It's brand new. Are we building a $200 rack or under? Well, I guess we're probably under $300, but about a $100 tool. But hey, you collect tools as you go in life, and you got them. All right, hey, welcome to the tool review. We have the, it's called the 3037. It's ONYX. You can also get this same model at Harbor Freight. It's just black in color. It has a speed control here that you can move right there. This is a belt. It uses a 18-inch belt. We'll show you it in action on a project here, but there are some things about it we like, some things we don't. We like that there's no safety on here, so you can just hit it and go. We like that it's air. We like that our compressor can run it. It doesn't overheat the air. So what else can we tell you about it? What we can tell you about it is it's easy to change the belts, all right? You just push this in. It clips, the belt comes on and off. You push this back, belt's tight. So we know that's nice. It runs pretty good when it's cold, although it did slow down as it started to freeze because it's 0 out here today. So one downside is it comes in a box, but once you put this on, once you turn this forward, not going in the box. Do I want to loosen this, flip it around every time to put it away and take this off? Probably not, so I'll have to make a box, all right? The other thing is, it doesn't seem to eat belts. I used one belt for the project. You'll see it. I did buy belts. All right, belts can be readily had. You can get belts for about 50 cents to 70 cents a piece in various grades. You can see it's got an assortment here. I don't know if you can read that, but this has got an assortment of stuff. This one here is kind of no names, but it's also an assortment of just a couple coarser grits. So these are the finer grits, the coarser grits. So we're all set with a lifetime supply of belts. So here's what I got, belt sander. Belt sander's gonna allow me to go a long way in here to sand that ridge down, all right? So we're gonna see how that works to sand it down. Brand new tool, needs a little oil first. If there's oil in this can, we'll see. I don't know how they say use drops, but I guess that's one drop. 2 drops. That don't sound good. You can see how much this goes in now. Going in not that far. Oh, a little farther. Check out this compressor. Oh, look at that. Still got a ways to go, but look at how nice that is. Almost to the middle. All the way past. All right, so that's really nice. See how far she goes in? It's really nice. But now we're going to go around the other side. Oh, look at that. Bet it goes all the way through now. Huh? Oh, look at that. Go all the way through. That's pretty good. All the way through. Whee! All right. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Don't miss it. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss the tool reviews. This is a handy one to have. Does all kinds of nice chamfers and stuff. Saves you filing time, works on metal, works on wood. We love it so far. Go get yourself one. I got mine on Amazon. You can get them at Harbor Freight. They're about $100. Give them right, take a little. I think I was $127 with all those belts shipped to my house. Can't beat it.